Sorry about that. I'll go ahead and proceed then. Thank you for the introduction, and my name is Josh Schimpf, and I work for Hylium Industries, and I'm the director of our Mobility Solutions Division. So today, the topic of my presentation is about liquid hydrogen drones. So a little bit about our company organization as a whole. So we are based just 1 hour south of this capital city, Seoul, in the city of Pyeongtaek. We were founded about 11 years ago in 2014 as a spin-off venture from the first National Research Lab in Seoul, Korea, KIST. So our CEO, his name is So-young Kim, and we have several product lines, which I'll go over the next slide. But also, last year we just opened our San Diego U.S. firm as well. So we, as a company, we not only develop liquid hydrogen drones, but we focus on a turnkey solution. So we try to cover as much as the hydrogen value chain as possible. Most of the time when customers or end users come to us asking for drones, we also have to provide solutions for fueling those drones or providing the fuel for those drones as well. So we do all the way upstream. We cover hydrogen production with green methanol on-site reformers. Also, we provide solutions for modular liquefaction units, and we can do refueling and transport as well. Okay, so I'll move on to drone applications. Everybody is probably well aware that drones are being used widely today in all sorts of applications like agriculture or military and so on. However, conventional battery-powered drones suffer from three areas. One is the flight time. Typical battery-powered drones can only fly about 30 minutes. Also, that limits their typical range. You can only fly less than 4 miles. And also, these drones suffer from long recharging times. It takes about 2 hours to recharge a typical lithium-ion battery-powered drone. So, Hylium, we propose a different solution. Our drone system consists of a liquid hydrogen fuel tank as well as a hydrogen fuel cell on board. So we can utilize the high energy density of liquid hydrogen. When compared to batteries, it's almost tenfold. Also, we can achieve higher asset utilization with faster refueling speeds as well. So just for frame of reference, there's a table comparing our liquid hydrogen drones with battery-powered drones. As you can see, there is no comparison. We have a tenfold the energy density. We can achieve 7 hours of flight, whereas batteries can only fly 30 minutes. We can fly over 60 miles on a single charge, and we can fuel within 10 minutes. And also, both solutions are zero emission free still. So I'll go over some of our real-world applications. Last year, we submitted a world record for single-charge hydrogen drone flights. So we did 6 hours and 44 minutes, and this was approved by the Korean Certification Agency. Next. Okay. We also provide control units for operating these drones. One is a mobile vehicle. So the operator can do all of his tasks like camera monitoring, road surveillance, and so on inside the vehicle. Also, we can do off-site monitoring solutions in case of remote area applications as well. Next. One reference project that we have is with the Korean Highway Agency. We applied these liquid hydrogen drones to monitor traffic conditions on the Korean expressways. And we also utilized our mobile ground control station to closely monitor these areas. So typically, these traffic conditions are monitored either by helicopter or battery-powered drones, and it's not the most efficient way to monitor these expressways. Next. Also, this past year, we did a demonstration for the country Indonesia in Jakarta. So we use these drones to monitor power transmission lines as well. We also supply drones to the Korean military. So we've had 2 projects with them and they are utilizing our drones today as well. Okay. So thank you for your time and attention, and I'll be glad to take any questions after this conference. Thank you.